Retail end cap displays boost sales, but assembling them efficiently can be challenging. Motion Control's Robotics end cap pallet display assembly system streamlines the process with a fully automated, customizable solution that builds 1/4, 1/2, and full pallet display units for the food and beverage, consumer goods, apparel, and electronics industries, as well as warehouse club stores. This automated system begins at the MSRS area, where pallets of product are staged. Operators load 10 lanes with a unique SKU. Overhead impact IQ dashboards designate the proper location. The sortation loop feeds 2 case pick areas, allowing one lane to build the current layer while the other preps the next, speeding up cycle time. Both pallet building stations are continuously building 1/4, 1/2, or full-size pallets with up to 10 different SKUs per pallet. Once the pallet build is complete, it exits the pallet build station to the finishing and branding area where operators apply signage elements. Pallets move to the automatic banding system, which secures each with 1 or 2 bands. Now off to the transport pallet building station where all the 1/4 and 1/2 pallets are loaded onto a full transport pallet. The completed transport pallets are sent to the stretch wrapper before heading out for delivery to retail locations. Now that you've seen the full system, let's take a closer look at each stage. The system is designed with individual SKU lanes to efficiently manage product flow. Cases are loaded onto conveyors from staged pallets, ensuring a steady supply of products. A real-time impact IQ dashboard provides SKU details and step-by-step instructions to guide operators through the process. Once the order is received, each unique SKU in the order is dispensed from the MSRS in sequential order by layer and is conveyed to the sortation loop. As cases move through the system, they are scanned at every divert to ensure accuracy. If the tracking system sees cases out of order, it will stop feeding, and the cases will be sent to the reject lane for manual intervention. The loop prevents jams by keeping products circulating and avoiding backups in the in-feed pick lane. 2 robotic palletizers create 1/4, 1/2, and full pallets based on the selected order. Each cell has a dunnage handling robot, a pallet and layer pat magazine, and places them as required. The robots can pick RSC, open top, display-ready cases, and plastic bins, made possible by the quick change end-of-arm tooling. The tooling options include a fork tool for trays and open-top cases, and a plenum vacuum tool for RSC and display-ready cases. Whether assembling 1/4 or 1/2 pallets for end caps or full pallets for larger aisle displays, our system ensures each load is stacked with precision for seamless in-store placement. The transport pallet Unitizer takes over to finalize the load. The robot picks incoming 1/4 and 1/2 pallets to build full transport pallets, optimizing space and stability for shipping. It selects the correct combination of pallets based on the order. The Unitizer can accommodate different SKU mixes, cases, trays, totes, and open top stacks. Once assembled, the completed full pallets are conveyed to the stretch wrapping station for final securing before shipment. MCRI's end cap display assembly system provides a high-efficiency solution, reducing labor, improving accuracy, and delivering consistent, retailer-compliant pallets. Ready to transform your warehouse operations? Contact us today for more information.